Answer it right, it could save your life. Answer it wrong, it could kill your best friend.
What? What's the question?
The question is, little Nantucket had a little Muppet, but she didn't know where it was. Now she's looking around.
Give me a
She
hug.
doesn't know where it is, and no one knows because.
Dude, what? I'm scared.
I'm gonna give you a pass, since you seem like a child.
That's me.
That's not me.
Let's go. What do you want to do?
What's your best riddle, Bradley? Have you ever heard of a riddle? How many riddles do you know?
I have no idea what my name is. If you...
How do you like your family, Bradley?
Wow. You didn't go that far, huh?
Do you miss them?
Family?
I'm on Lake Delaware right now.
What?
I know all about you. Everything. Remember your little trip when you were in 5th grade? And you thought no one was watching it? You had your little wee-wee hanging out on the raft? Everyone made fun of you, called you tiny bit? I was there. Didn't know me.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Remember you tried to have your first kiss and you had your dad practice on you?